The journey towards embracing AI in your organization starts with you. Your attitude, openness, and willingness to adapt will set the stage for your team and organization to thrive in the age of AI. Here are 4 actionable steps to help you and your team develop an adaptable mindset that effectively navigates the AI revolution. The first step is about embodying the change. As a leader, exemplify enthusiasm and curiosity about AI. Your positive and forward-thinking attitude will inspire your team to embrace the technological transformation. Share your AI-related learning experience and insights with your team to foster an environment of continuous improvement. Second idea refers to investing in education. Allocate resources for you and your team to learn about AI's potential and limitation. Offer training session and workshop to keep everyone informed and up to date on the latest development. Bring in AI experts for seminars or partner with educational institutions to provide tailored courses for your organization. First approach related to championing experimentation. Allow your team to test and experiment with AI technologies, embracing risk and learning from mistakes to cultivate a culture of innovation and agility. Set up an internal innovation space where employees can explore new AI applications and propose ideas for potential projects. And finally, the 4th idea is about tackling challenges head-on. Stay ahead of potential obstacles by identifying them early and proactively strategizing solutions. Conduct regular assessment for potential challenges related to AI adoption, such as ethical consideration, data privacy, and workforce reskilling. Communicate openly with your team about potential issues and involve them in problem solving to create a sense of ownership and commitment. Never forget that in this area of rapid technology change, your leadership role is the key to navigating the AI revolution. By embodying an adaptable mindset, you can effectively lead the organization into a thriving future. I hope you found this short video insightful and thought-provoking. And if you want to stay informed on this topic, click on subscribe and follow me on LinkedIn to be part of a community that is driving positive change in the way we lead. Thank you for watching and for your continued support.